thanks for joining me. This is part of an alegrias section that I have, my escobilla. Right after the silencio. I have other choreography if you're interested. Sometimes I use this section in my Guajira. It just depends. But I have other sections of my Guajira, and there are the links below so you can look at them, watch them if you are interested. I also have a tangos tutorial that I've also included in the description. So thank you again for joining me, and please subscribe to the channel. Wishing you a wonderful day. Bye.